Hey, it's Nick at Brooklyn Music Factory, and I am going to show you everything about BMFConnect, which is our one-stop portal for everything you need at Brooklyn Music Factory, including lesson materials, reports from your teacher, contact information. So here we are on the login page. The family login button is right here, and all you need to do is enter your email or family ID. And click login. If you don't know your password, you can just click forgot password and fill out a quick and easy Google form. Your password emailed right to you. But once you've entered your username and password, go ahead and click login. And here we are on the parent dashboard of BMFConnect. Your dashboard is just showing you all of your most important contact information and enrollments that you're signed up for. And let me give you a quick tour of the pages that we have here in our family portal. You can click on schedule and select a student to see what classes you have coming up. You can click on materials to go to the materials page where we have access to BMF free online materials, including your family band, big music games, club keyboard, and the BMF guitar book. The classes page is going to be your hub for all of the information sent from your teacher. So here are all of the reports that has received over the course of the year sent by her teacher Davis with different home rock assignments for each lesson. At the end of every class or lesson, your teacher is going to send a report so that you know how to play at home. And for every class, we also have a G Drive folder for you to access resources. So if your teacher wants to share some jam tracks that you can play along with or games, that's where you would find them in this folder. And then we also have a BMF radio page where you can listen to tracks recorded by BMF programs, and an FAQ page where you can find frequently asked questions. So let's take a look at BMFConnect and how you will launch your online lessons using Zoom. We're logged into the dashboard of BMFConnect, and you can see that there's an upcoming lesson, and you can prepare for your lesson by going to the classes page. And so here is what the classes page looks like. And what you can do to join your teacher online is just click join online, and that's going to launch Zoom. If it is 5 minutes before your lesson starts, this message will change and you'll see a button for join your lesson. Joining your online lesson with your teacher is as simple as log in to your dashboard and click join. That's going to open Zoom.